Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a dreamy photo by using the bubble effect on EPIK Apps. So here I've already on the EPIK Apps and I've already imported a photo that I want to edit. The first thing that you need to do is go to effect. So swipe through the menu, click on effect, and here swipe through the category and find overlay. Okay, you'll easily find a bubble. Click on that bubble effect, and now you can just adjust the intensity. I'm going to lower it, okay, like this, and also you can adjust the size and the opacity. Okay, to make it more dreamy, you can also add some filters that support a dreamy photo. Okay, you can just swipe through the filter that you want. Okay, I'm going to try. Okay, let's try the Dreamland filter. Okay, you can just lower the opacity, and that's it. So this is the before and here is the after. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a thanks, a like, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye.